Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to add clickable YouTube video link to your Facebook story. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I will go to my Chrome browser, and to add Facebook story you have to must log in your Facebook through the Google Chrome browser, and I am in my login my Facebook account, and I will just tap on the three dotted icon and click enable the desktop site. Yes, now my desktop site has been enabled, and now I will go to the youtube.com. Of course you have to go to the youtube.com by Google Chrome, and now I will go to the YouTube, which is myoutube.com, and now I will enable the desktop site mode, and now I will go to my YouTube channel, which is my YouTube channel. I am zooming it for my convenient, and I will go to my your channel, and then I will again zoom out it, and now I have to play another video. As for an example, I want to you have to play one video that you want to add to your Facebook story. So just click on the share icon, and now you will find the Facebook icon, and tap on the Facebook, and it will redirect it to the Facebook. As I want to add this video link to my Facebook story, so I will just tap on the your story option and untap to the newsfeed. If I select the both option, this video will be shared to the newsfeed and also the story section. Okay, I will just untap to the newsfeed and click on the post button. You have to wait for few moments to add to your story in the Facebook. Okay, now I will go to my Facebook account through the Facebook app, and if I check this story, yes, it's my story, Facebook story. You are clearly seeing that story has been added to my Facebook profile, and if I tap on this link, is a new pop-up which is view website, and if I tap on the website, already my one friend has viewed my story, and this is a possibility. If he feels interest, he will definitely click on the link, and he will obviously watch this video. Okay, if I tap on the view website, this link redirected to my this YouTube video link, and this is the method how to add YouTube video link to your Facebook story. So please remember that this will be only work on smartphone. That means when someone will browse your profile from computer, and when someone will want to see your YouTube story, this will not work for the computer. This link will be only the text link, copy text link. That means this link will not work. So I think this is very helpful, and you have learned a lot from me. Thanks everyone.